What's up, everybody? My name is Liliana. I'm here with my sister Isabel. We're gonna do a mukbang, however people say it. I look a little rough, but I'm sorry. You think she's good at? Yeah, just a little bit. Sorry about that. This setup is just get that out of my face. It's weird. So I got, of course, tea. She has tea. Pizza Hut wings. We should have put a little bit of music on the TV, huh? Then 2 breadstick sticks and some ranch.
I have also from Pizza Hut, but they are the cheese sticks.
Got the cheese sticks.
And I have mozzarella sticks from Sonic. And then I have a cheeseburger from Sonic too. So
Yeah. She don't use any sauces.
I'll make sure
I don't know if I wanted to get a fork to eat wings. I don't know. These are the boneless wings, so yeah.
What did you do when you were alone? Like when we went to Grandma's house, what did you do? Just stay like with Shasta?
Yeah. I just stayed here and just chilled and stuff.
Cause we stopped at Walmart before we went to the house.
Yeah, I figured because Grandma didn't have nothing at the house.
And then when we got to the house, we had to go to bed, so I thought.
You can
And
talk
the next
louder.
day,
You don't have to whisper.
oh,
They need to hear you, you know.
well, the next day we went to go to Alpine again, and because we were gonna go get the turtle, and then we were gonna get the food, and then we were gonna get Mom's straightener.
Flip a little bit more. Yeah.
And we didn't get 2 of those things. We didn't get the turtle feed or the
Do you know
straightener.
how far back?
So we
How close? So sorry about that.
So we just have the we just got the turtle, so we had to go back the next day either way because Grandma still needed to get a little bit of like her pills and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we went there and then we got whatever we needed and we got Xavier too.
Mhm.
And then we went to go see we went to go see Desiree, and then we went to go see Joelle too, and then we ate whatever.
Was
she
20
got
there?
us.
The driver running
No.
20?
Which was a good thing because I didn't want to. I wasn't ready yet. So he wasn't there, and then the next day after that, he got pulled over. I told Dad, I was so happy. I wanted it off so bad, but Theo was right there, so I was like, because we went to her office to go Grandma blood sugar, and her blood sugar was at 154 or 145. I think it was 145.
That's still good.
Uh-huh.
I mean, she got it down.
And she goes, your
Lower.
dad's not gonna believe it. So I took a picture and go, look, Dad.
Right.
And then I still wanted the Thea stickers, like the old ones, the home ones. And then she got the club. And then she's like, and then Grandma's like, what? He's like, oh, Konika just got pulled over. I was like, I need to go to the restroom. And I was like, trying not to like let them hear me in the restroom. And then I came back out, and then my grandma's like, well, what did he say? He said like something about, because you know how he ran for the constable or something like that. He said like saying that always works. So I don't know if he got a ticket or not. Yeah.
Well, was he out of town? Like, was he driving the truck?
I don't think so. But I don't really know.
Because he drives a diesel truck for his work.
And then a lot of stuff happened that day too. I think they're taking off Tuesday to go to South Carolina. No, West Virginia.
College?
Yeah, in West Virginia. And then, because he was gonna spend the day with
I'll be back.
yesterday with Joelle.
Here. Stop looking.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And so he wanted to stay with my grandma on Saturday. Either Saturday or Sunday. Probably Sunday. Because they went somewhere on Saturday. Like a dance or something like that.
Anyway, I'm back. Misunderstanding, of course. y'all go back to school? I go back to school. I thought it was the 17th. Because everybody from my school was talking about the 17th, which is the Friday. But actually, we're going back to school the 16th, which is a Thursday, which I don't know why. We're going back to school early. Right now it's like August. So August 17th, we're going back to school early to get out of school early. But it's just the same thing. I don't really see it as early. Getting out of April 1st is early. April 20th, 19th, 18th. But April, almost like June, not that early. I've been wanting wings for a long time. Like ever since I saw Be Lovely, her mukbang on like the wings and stuff. I legit like wanted wings now. Sorry about that. Kind of want to face y'all more towards me. So, I've always wanted to do this on YouTube. Like the mukbangs. I know like YouTube was just one of my goals that I've always wanted to do. It was one of the major goals I just wanted to do. Because it looked fun. And it's just like, it's like something I've always just wanted to do. Now the look is back. You just showed me your food, right? Mm-hmm. This year, I was telling him about school. Mm-hmm. When we go back and stuff. I personally do not like school. I hate school so much.
I mean, the thing I like about it is because I learn. Like I like to learn. I'm very curious about everything. So I like going just for that purpose, because I like to learn.
Yeah, I like going to go see my friends, but not really the learning part.
Well, that too.
Oh, that's a lot. I just really wanted wings. What kind of pizza did Mom get?
She didn't get pizza. They got pasta. She got like the chicken Alfredo pasta.
Oh, I know that. I saw that, but what was in the big large box?
The pasta.
And
the cheese sticks.
Oh.
I wish they would have got pizza. They didn't. So she goes, because the pasta, we're going to split it. But it's too little. She goes to the other, I guess Sonic, or I guess Sonic. I'm like, I guess Sonic.
And I think I'll work on Sonic too.
You want to know?
What kind of burger did you get? A regular burger? Did you just pick one off the menu? Like, which
The
one?
number one. But I got it with only the lettuce and pickles.
I just got the mild wings from Pizza Hut. If I would have known y'all were going to
We
Sonic,
didn't
I would've
know. Yeah, I know. But we didn't know we were going to do that until we saw how big the pasta was.
Either way, if I would have known, I would have asked for mozzarella sticks.
You want one?
I'll give you two because I already ate one.
I'll give you this two.
Mozzarella stick. Do you like wings? Or, yeah, wings. I like the boneless one, so I don't have to really fight with the bone. But at the same time, I like them with the bones at the same time.
I like the ones that they don't have the sauce and stuff on it. So just like the regular one.
Oh, the naked wings one? The extra gets?
Is it W?
Mm.
Stop it, I made you taste those. I don't really like those though, because they taste weird.
Like, I never tried them.
Stop it, got me to taste. He's like, taste this. I'm like, why? He's like, just do it. So I tasted it, and it's good.
I never tried them, but like that day was leaving. Yeah. He said, but you have to try it with ranch though. So I was like, okay, I'll try with ranch. I only have like 4 left.
The letters keep coming out my mouth.
I gotta clean my room again.
My
floor.
too.
We're talking about like the floor. And too. I look like a hot mess, but oh well. I really don't care.
Did you do laundry? Because I don't have any shirts to wear, like for home.
No. Right now it's like summer, so I'm gonna try to upload every day since it's still kind of summer. But when school does start, I'm going to probably upload on the weekends and Wednesdays. Probably have something special on Wednesday. Those are the main days I'm gonna do it. There are gonna be times like in the middle of the week or so where I'm just gonna randomly post a video. But otherwise, yeah. Now, videos to expect. School supply haul.
What's your name? Zoe wants to do one that's like my best friend versus my sister. Like who knows me best? Cause she gave me that idea, so I was like,
That's a good one. I should do that too. Maybe she'll do my makeup. Yeah, I know I don't wear a lot of makeup.
And then I'm posting not tomorrow but Tuesday.
Ranch does not taste good with these as I thought.
Very thin. Very thin. Or did you just eat the bottom?
Oh, the bottom came apart.
Oh, okay.
I should have gotten some. Whatchamacallit?
They're still good though. I wanted to get some breadsticks, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get cheesesteaks.
Here. Because I'm getting full. I'm full actually. We have like 4 of this and stuff. I really wasn't hungry, but that's a like.
Sorry, I eat a lot. Like, it's like weird, because Zoe told me that too. She's like, you're like a stick, but you eat like a lot. Every time she FaceTimes me, I'm always eating.
Your digestive system is. What do you call it?
My metabolism.
Yeah, so I was about to say.
Metabolism.
Metabolism. However you say that. But yeah, before I was interrupted.
Sure.
Then tomorrow I'm probably, well, after this video I'm probably gonna do the, depending, after this video or tomorrow I'm gonna do my room haul. Not room haul. What is it called?
Room tour?
Yeah, my room tour. I had it in my head and then I forgot. Sorry about that. When I thought I was gonna have to share with the wings, and I didn't. Mom said let us eat in the room. I was like, I'm gonna do mukbang.
Because I already had my burger on and everything. Like, I had the pillow right here. And then I eat all, and I was like this, and I was like looking at TV. Because I was on my phone and I was texting my friend, and she's like, "You want to do mukbang?" I was like, "I guess." Yeah.
She has a channel too, y'all. I'll put her channel down below. Too. You go get me some tea?
You drink out of this, I drink out of straw.
You
I'll
wanna
pour
get
some in there.
No, you want to give me some tea, please?
Lena, you're not even eating. Go get some yourself. I'm eating.
I guess. Here's some later. Well, you can finish that up.
So
We're already kind of done.
Okay, we can close up the video.
Yeah. So thank you for watching my mukbang, however you say it. This is how I'm gonna say it, mukbang. And subscribe and comment. Thank you.